Mountain biking is all about adventure, adrenaline, and pushing limits. But let's be real. Full suspension mountain bikes can get expensive, and finding the right one on a budget is no easy task. That's why this list of 10 best budget full suspension mountain bikes delivers serious performance without emptying the wallet. Let's jump in. The Giant Trance 29 is a versatile beast. With its sleek aluminum frame and fast trail geometry, a 66.5-degree head tube and 74.5-degree seat tube, it offers agility and control on demanding trails. The trunnion mount shock and forged composite rocker arm ensure a smooth ride over rough terrain. A great pick for anyone wanting a solid all-rounder without spending a fortune. Its suspension system is one of the standout features, making it capable of handling both aggressive downhill sections and steep climbs with ease. Riders who prioritize comfort will appreciate how well the shock absorption system minimizes fatigue on long rides. The drivetrain and braking system offer reliable shifting and stopping power, ensuring total control even in challenging conditions. This bike also boasts modern geometry that enhances stability and maneuverability. With its lightweight frame, it delivers excellent efficiency, making it a great choice for those looking for speed without sacrificing durability. Whether tackling rugged trails or flowing single track, this bike provides an impressive blend of versatility and performance. This is the little brother of the Process 153, but it doesn't hold back. Built with 6061 aluminum, it's tough, durable, and lightweight. The RockShox Deluxe suspension keeps the ride smooth, absorbing trail impacts effortlessly. For a mid-entry full suspension bike that blends reliability with fun, this is a solid choice. A major advantage of this bike is its well-balanced geometry that ensures superior handling and responsiveness. The aluminum frame offers excellent durability, making it a long-term investment for anyone serious about trail riding. The suspension system provides exceptional small bump compliance, allowing riders to maintain traction on rough terrain while keeping pedaling efficiency high. Equipped with a reliable drivetrain and powerful hydraulic disc brakes, it ensures smooth gear transitions and safe stopping power. The stiff rear triangle enhances control while cornering, giving the confidence to take on tight trails. Whether looking for a playful ride or something that can tackle technical sections, this bike provides an exhilarating mountain biking experience. Polygon brings serious value with the Siskiu T8. Designed to handle technical terrain, it features a Shimano SLX 12-speed drivetrain and an ALX Sport aluminum frame, keeping it lightweight yet strong. Whether tackling aggressive descents or fast climbs, this bike's stable and rigid geometry makes it a thrill to ride. The suspension performance of this bike is remarkable, delivering a plush ride over roots and rocks while remaining efficient on climbs. With modern trail geometry, it maximizes stability at high speeds and ensures nimbleness when navigating tight corners. The drivetrain offers smooth and precise shifting, which is essential for maintaining momentum in varied terrain. Braking power is strong and reliable, providing confidence when riding steep descents. The bike's overall construction makes it a durable option for riders who demand performance without a hefty price tag. Its tubeless-ready wheels further enhance the riding experience by reducing weight and improving grip. For riders seeking a bike that excels in comfort and control, this option delivers exceptional value. Trek Fuel EX5 is a legend in the budget full suspension category. With a Shimano 12-speed drivetrain, a robust Alpha Platinum aluminum frame, and Trek's knock block steering, this bike offers a perfect balance of fun and practicality. The upgraded suspension keeps control on rough trails while delivering a playful, energetic ride. This bike's frame construction ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight feel. The carefully designed geometry strikes a perfect balance between aggression and comfort, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned riders. The suspension system offers impressive bump absorption, allowing for smoother rides over uneven trails. The drivetrain provides a wide range of gears, ensuring effortless transitions between climbs and descents. Its braking system is powerful and reliable, offering excellent control on steep and technical terrain. The internal cable routing adds to its sleek appearance while protecting cables from external damage. Whether shredding down mountain trails or tackling long endurance rides, this bike is built to handle it all with ease. Vitus takes things up a notch with the Escarpe CR, combining aluminum and T700 carbon to keep the weight down while boosting durability. The modern geometry, adjustable flip chip, and improved suspension kinematics make it a beast on both climbs and descents. If chasing speed and efficiency on a budget, this is one to consider. With a lightweight frame, this bike delivers agility and speed on the trails. The suspension system provides excellent traction, making it easier to maintain control over rough and loose surfaces. The frame's construction maximizes stiffness while minimizing weight, enhancing overall responsiveness. The drivetrain is built for reliability, ensuring smooth shifting under load. The braking system delivers powerful stopping ability, essential for tackling steep descents. The inclusion of an adjustable flip chip allows riders to fine-tune the geometry based on their riding style. Designed for riders who want precision and control, this bike stands out as a top choice in the budget-friendly full suspension market. The Marin Rift Zone 2 is designed for riders who crave speed and agility. Featuring an ultra-light aluminum frame and modern trail geometry, this bike provides a thrilling ride on all types of terrain. With a 12-speed Shimano drivetrain, RockShox suspension, and reliable braking system, it absorbs bumps while maintaining pedaling efficiency. Its stable geometry ensures riders stay in control, even on fast descents or tricky switchbacks. Whether tackling challenging climbs or flowing single track, the Rift Zone 2 delivers a responsive and exhilarating ride. The Salsa Horsethief Deore is a capable entry-level full suspension bike. It has a 140mm suspension fork and split pivot rear suspension, delivering a stable and controlled ride. Its well-balanced geometry makes it easy to maneuver, even on technical trails. The drivetrain ensures smooth gear transitions, and the robust braking system provides confidence when riding steep sections. The aluminum frame offers durability, while the suspension setup enhances comfort and control. The Mongoose Salvo features a Tectonic T2 aluminum frame, a 110mm travel rocker link suspension, and a comfortable ride feel. It's built for budget-conscious riders looking for a reliable, full suspension setup. With strong braking power and responsive handling, it excels in both casual trail riding and more demanding routes. The Diamondback Release 29 is a 6061 aluminum full suspension MTB equipped with a Sunter ion fork and Edge R rear shock. It provides solid performance on aggressive trails. With a durable frame and precise suspension setup, it ensures a smooth ride even on technical terrain. The Cube Stereo 240 Pro is built with advanced hydroforming technology, offering a lightweight frame with responsive handling. It's designed for riders looking for agility and control. With an efficient suspension system and excellent braking power, it's a great option for tackling a variety of trails. Finding a great budget full suspension mountain bike isn't easy, but these 10 options prove that high performance doesn't have to come with a high price tag. Each bike on this list offers a unique balance of comfort, control, and capability. Whether hitting rugged trails or looking for a smooth, efficient ride, There's a bike here for everyone. Like this list? Drop a comment and subscribe for more bike hunt recommendations.